ये स्टैम्प किस चीज़ का लग रहा है?
सेल्फ मॉनिटरिंग फॉर 14 days.
सेल्फ मॉनिटरिंग. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back again. So finally I'm here at the airport. So if you are traveling to India, no matter whether you are traveling from US, from Europe, from Australia, so the process is almost same. So I'm traveling from Norway to New Delhi via Doha. So I have flight in just few hours, so I'm going to explain and also show you the whole process, what documentation you need and what process. So just to help you, because there are a lot of confusion about the process and about the documentation. So if you want to know and want to get a real experience with my journey, then it will be very helpful for you. So I just cleared my document verification first, then I have given my luggage for check-in, then I just cleared the security and then immigration. So it took around 1 hour to complete whole things. So guys, let's talk about the documentation part. So first thing, since I am traveling from Qatar, so I will tell you the what exactly required for Qatar. So as of now, I'm not sure about the future, but as of now, so first of all you have to fill one declaration form. Then you need one negative RT-PCR. It doesn't matter whether you are fully vaccinated or not. You have to have like RT-PCR test. So it will be better you do it before your journey, within 72 hours, because there is an option for express PCR test at the airport, but that is quite expensive. It's around 250 euros, and if you say in kroner, it's like 2,500, and in Indian rupees, I will say it's like 20,000 rupees for one RT-PCR test. So that doesn't make sense to do it in airport. So I will recommend to do it before your journey. So I have done my PCR test free of cost. So since I live in Oslo, so there I choose for the Oslo commune free test available. So there is a lot of confusion about the whether I should go for a paid PCR test, whether I should go for the free one. So I wanted to clarify the go for the free one, because here they just see whether they just validate the name and the negative test result. That's all. It doesn't matter from where you do it, and make sure it has to be an RT-PCR test, not any antigen or something. So you can go for that RT-PCR. So that was the second thing. Third thing was once you get your RT-PCR test done, then go to the Air Suvidha website, fill the form there you have to upload your negative RT-PCR test, and once you've done it, I think these all main three documents you need, and nothing else. And obviously your passport and resident card, whichever is applicable for a visa requirements, that's a different thing. So just keep watching this, and also if you are new to this channel, then definitely like this video and subscribe to our channel. So see you on our journey now. So Renju, you excited?
Yeah, we are traveling to Kochi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
From Doha, right?
Yeah,
How was your experience in documentation?
everything very smooth.
Yeah, smooth. Nice.
It's smooth.
Why did you pay 1,000 for the RT-PCR? Why didn't I took free one?
But you done the another one also, right?
Yeah, that was a backup.
Backup. Yeah.
That's 400 in case
I just directly go.
So guys, we are just boarding now. So the mask is mandatory. What a relief, because I was just curious and confused about the process. But it was quite easy and simple. No, not much thing to do. So guys, we just have received our meal, and so guys, we just have arrived at Doha airport. And so Bhavesh, how was your experience?
Yeah, it is good. Just now we landed, so it is good.
Enjoy your
Yeah, whiskey is good.
whiskey is good. How many whiskey you tried?
Only 2 months.
Only two. Yeah. I was thinking you have taken the whole bottle.
nice.
So I think guys, just so Renjo, he's traveling to Kochi tomorrow. Bhavesh, you're traveling to
Yes,
Mumbai, and I'm
Mumbai.
traveling to Delhi. So I have a just flight in just 3 hours around. So let's see how's the process. I think most of the things are already cleared in Oslo, so we just have to do the transfer and all. So I don't think so there should be any problem. So guys, now we are finally boarding for Delhi. I'm just going to the gate C25 where the flight is going to board in next 1 hour. So guys, finally we just landed in Delhi. ये स्टैम्प किस चीज़ का लग रहा है?
Self monitoring for 14 days.
सेल्फ मॉनिटरिंग, ये क्या होता है? So guys, we just came out from the flight, and there was nothing. They just checked the boarding pass and they put some stamp. I don't know what was the purpose for that stamp. So now we are just going for immigration directly. So there was no such queue for any tests checking or not. I haven't seen it yet. You can continue watching. Let's see what else is coming. So guys, you can see a lot of queue, a lot of people in the queue for immigration. So guys, finally I just out from the immigration, and so here nothing is being asked. No RT-PCR test check, no air suvidha form check, nothing at all. Just immigration, that's all. So I think this is only being done at the source country from where you are actually traveling. So these things being checked by the airline. So there is nothing so here as of now. So I'm just collecting my luggage here. So guys, I just came out from the completely out, and I collected my luggage, and there was nothing at all being asked. There was a small queue for a custom clearance, but it was only for those people who are coming from Dubai location, so it was not for us. So it was quite smooth process, nothing at all. I think we just came out within half an hour outside once we out from the flight. So it was quite simple, easy process, nothing much. So you don't have to worry about things. Just do your RT-PCR, fill up the air suvidha form. That's all. And these things will be checked only at your airline level, nothing at the Delhi airport. So hopefully guys, I think I have cleared most of the things which are actually people get confused. So if you have any query, you can just put down the comment, and I will try to help you as soon as possible. And also if you have a quick query, you can directly send me a message in my Instagram. So you can see my Instagram ID. If you want to follow, you can just there I am mostly active in Instagram, and I can reply quickly as soon as possible. And also you can leave the comment as well, and don't forget to like this video. So have a safe journey guys, and enjoy. See you guys soon. Bye bye, take care.